Guys, once again welcome back to Craftastic Forever. So today I'm going to show you the basics of uh, a well brush pen, how to use a brush pen, and calligraphy. So let's get started. So I've got this pack of my brush pens, which I did film in one of my last videos. You can just check it out in the at my channel. So let's get started. So I'm thinking let's start. So first of all, you might think that calligraphy means just writing anything with a brush pen, like, so for example, if we write the word good, then you might think that you can just do like this and go like this, just write in a accent like this. But it's not really true, since you can see here real calligraphy doesn't have all fat lines. It doesn't mean just having fat lines. So I'm gonna show you with the basics how to do it. So let's get started. Let's choose, for example, two colors. I'm gonna choose this dark blue and this lighter turquoise. So first I'm gonna show you how to go up. So if you wanna go up, you gotta slowly, just like so, make a line like so, and you gotta practice this a couple of times to get it right, just like so. And you cannot do this, by the way. If you do this, it's wrong, and you always have to just do straight thin lines except for fat lines, or it will not come good. So you have to do something like so. Then over here, now with the light blue one, I'm going to show you the down strokes. These are called upper strokes and these are called down strokes. So whenever you go down, you get a thick nice line, and you cannot make thin lines like so. That won't do good at anyways. So it's best to do thick lines like this, and it will always work perfectly if you go something like so. Now let me show you a continuous letter. Continuous letter is always used by thick lines to thin lines. For example, for the G here, as we did in the good, so the G will go something like so. First of all, the curve, and also this part will go thick and it will change to a thin here. So I'm gonna show you with the darker one here. So it changes. Sorry for the voice, just one sec. Okay, I'm really sorry for the voice right there. Anyways, here you go for thin lines and like so. So it's always something like this. If for any words, for example, if you do the letter D, then you'll have to go thick down, then you go thin upwards like so, and again you go thick downwards, then you go thin upwards. So it's always something like so. If you want to do calligraphy, then it's always the best to go by the rules. And if you're gonna do something like an L, then you have to go from thin and go down stroke to a thin. So it's always like this if you want to do it correct, and if you'll do it wrong, then it'll probably end up something like this, which is the wrong way. So this is the basics of calligraphy. I hope you learned something from this small video of how to do calligraphy, and be sure to comment down below if you want to know more about any other crafts and ideas or hacks. And please do subscribe to my channel if you like it. Stay creative, stay sweet, and I'll see you next time. So bye bye.